This video is for Matty VT93. This is one of the air conditioners which I have on offer as a warranty replacement. I've still got to finish putting it back together again, but I've finished cleaning it. It's a 1-ton AMCOR, 12,000 BTUs. Everything on it works. I'll drag it over and plug it in a minute. Got high low settings, air control. Had a few dents in it, but I've just straightened them out with vice grips. Runs fine. It's a bit bigger than the other one, so it works very well. The other one's a Leonard Type 4. Oh yeah, the AMCOR has a front panel. The Leonard Type 4 does not. It's a 1-ton unit. Had it running for a couple of minutes now. She's already nice and cold. That one's been working for a couple of minutes now and she's already icy cold. Again, it's a larger unit. All American made, good quality. So screw the covers back onto it and she'll be right. That's the outer housing for the Leonard. No front panel. And this is the 1-ton AMCOR. The thermostat still works. Low. These are a good quality unit. I have one in my bedroom or not bedroom, living room. They work very well. Australian made by Email Air. This one's a 10 amp unit. I think it draws about 8 or 9. The Leonard actually draws about 10 or 11. So you'd want a pretty heavy lead for it. But again, this one here has a front panel on it, so probably the best choice. It's been about 10 minutes and the AMCOR is nice and cold. Condensate coming off it. The rest of the suction line's all sweaty. So it's doing quite well. Yep. Thanks for watching.